Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan products with Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you see an item that you want and you want to scan it to see if it's on Temu. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to hop under our Temu app. And then once you're on the app, on the upper right hand corner, you're going to see a camera icon. So if you click on the camera icon, this is going to appear here, and once it scans an item or sees an item, it's going to find similar items to that. So this is a really great way to actually go ahead and shop on Temu with different items. So if I want to go ahead and let's get this plant right over here, you can see that the picture is now a plant. And so with it, it'll start to look for similar things similar to the plant. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and scan an item on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.